Today we are making creamy curry pork with rich homemade sauce. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. Let's make easy creamy curry pork dinner. First, cut the pork into evenly sized strips. They don't have to be absolutely perfect, but keeping them similar in size helps everything cook evenly. Add a little oil to a pan and cook the finely chopped onion over medium heat until soft and slightly golden. Take your time here, because the onion gives the sauce a lot of flavor. Now add the pork. Season with salt, and black pepper, and cook it over high heat. At first, the meat will release quite a bit of water, and that's completely normal. Keep cooking until the liquid evaporates and the pork starts getting a nice light brown color. That browning adds a lot more flavor to the final sauce, so this step is definitely worth a little patience. And yes, your kitchen already smells dangerous at this point. Pour in enough water to fully cover the meat. Lower the heat, cover with a lid, and let everything slowly simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until the pork becomes nice and tender. While the meat cooks, prepare the creamy mixture. Add the half and half flour and curry powder into a container or a jar and mix everything really well. We love using a jar for this because shaking it makes the mixture perfectly smooth in seconds. The flour will help thicken the sauce slightly, while the curry gives it that beautiful color and flavor. Once the pork is tender, slowly pour the mixture into the pan through a strainer. That helps avoid lumps and keeps the sauce nice and smooth. Let everything simmer for another 15 minutes so the flavors combine properly and the flour cooks through. The sauce will slowly become creamy, smooth, and beautifully thick. And that's it, our creamy curry pork is ready. You can serve it with rice, potatoes, fries, or anything you enjoy. Fresh or pickled vegetables also work really well on the side and make the whole meal feel complete. After cooling, store everything in the fridge. Thanks for cooking with us today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes.